Jackie, and this is Ralphie, and this is our toilet paper leash challenge. See how we do. Does it help to use strong toilet paper? Okay, here we go. No, drop. Okay. No, drop. No. No. Right here. Stay. Oh, we're almost ripped. Stay. It's chewed and it's ripped. Stay. Okay, no, don't grab it. Good boy. Around. And face. Stay. Wait. Don't grab it. Don't grab it. Wait, what? Good. Sit. No, wait. Oh, that's good. What else can you do? Spin. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Drop down. Stand up. Oh, you got my shoe. Grab my shoe and my sock. Pick it up. Here. Back there. Yep. Right here. Okay. And bring me my shoe. Right here. Yes. Good boy. That's it. Bow. You gotta bow. Wait. Here. Turn. Wait. No. Okay. Walk yourself. Stop. Here. Look at me. Bow. There you go. Good boy. You think. Give me that toilet paper out of your mouth. Give me that toilet paper. I got something better for you. Look. This turkey. Good boy. I hope you got that.